And those 2 days were oh my gosh, it was amazing.
Before Vlad's training, I was writing what I thought was my normal of about 9 to 11 health/life apps a month.
I was averaging about 25, 30 on a very good month, maybe 40 apps a month. I implemented the process that he taught us during his class.
Coming back, it was amazing, like instantaneous change to my sales, to my coworker Crystal's sales.
Now with my normal being about 20 to 25 life/health apps a month.
And just stuck with it and worked hard. And after September was over, I ended up with 66 applications for the month.
Here's where I break 100. My first full month of trying Vlad's work after attending Vlad's workshop. 13 life, 6 health, 40 fire, 51 auto. That's 110 apps total. And then there's this month. So currently this month, I have 17 life, 5 health, 46 fire, 61 auto, and it's not even the end of the month yet.
Last month I wrote 50 apps, and for me that's a huge milestone. Before we took this training, I was writing maybe 20 apps a month, and after I wrote those 50 apps, and it was like, that wasn't even, I'm not stopping, like I'll be at 100 soon. Like it was just an amazing feeling.
It teaches you how to get the client to value what you're selling and what you're doing for them.
I would always sell auto. I was super great at that, super easy, but I never sold life or health over the phone.
It's a referral-based program that allows you to minimize and eventually get completely rid of outbound calls and cold calling, which is most people hate.
It's so worth it, and it works.
I strongly encourage anybody who hasn't taken this class to do it if they want to excel and be the best, not just be mediocre.
It is simple and smart and articulate and honest and awesome.